Today we're going to show you how to zoom in the classroom, and this is in a typical Comenius classroom. First thing you'll want to do is select Podium Computer on the touch panel. Second, log into the computer, as I've already done, and log into Zoom. Now if you'll notice, Zoom by default isn't in the lower system tray here, so if you need to find it, the easiest way is to hit Command Spacebar, which brings up the Spotlight search, and then start typing Zoom, hit Enter, whoops, or if you type Zoom correctly, then it'll work a lot better, Zoom, and Zoom will pop up, and then you'll see the familiar Zoom icon appear here in System Tray. Now what I can also do is click and hold on that icon, roll up to Options, and click on Keep in Dock. Then the next time you log in, Zoom will always be down here. So once you've logged into Zoom, the next thing we want to do is check all of our audio and video settings. You can do that by either clicking on this little gear icon for settings, or you can go up here to zoom.us and click on Preferences, or you can hit the shortcut for Command, comma. So Command, comma, in Zoom will bring up this Preferences. So those three different ways will get you to the same place. Now in each classroom there's going to be a little note card that details what settings you should choose for the camera, microphone, and speakers. So we'll reference that and we will set those settings. In this case, the correct settings for the speaker are going to be for Crestron, so we'll select that. The correct microphone that is going to be the Plantronics Callisto 7200, which is our friendly little speakerphone down here. So we will choose that as our microphone. Next, we'll go over to video to verify that our camera is working. Now over here in the document camera, we'll want to make sure that it's turned on. If you see a blue light here, that means it's on. If you see a red light, that means it's off, and you'll have to turn it on in order for it to work, of course. So here I have the camera faced out, and you can see that the camera is working. I always like to uncheck Mirror My Video to make sure that things aren't flipped backwards. That can especially be a problem if you decide to do any annotation, writing notes here on paper, otherwise things will be backwards. So always go and uncheck Mirror My Video. HD in this case is grayed out, but if you do see an HD option available, always check that. That'll make the video quality that much better. So those are the major steps in order to zoom in the classroom. We have logged into the Mac, we have selected the Mac on the touch panel, and we have gone into Zoom, logged into Zoom, and set our preferences for audio and video to the proper settings that we've seen on the little note card in each classroom. We've also made sure that the document camera is powered on and aimed at whatever we need to look at. And in this camera can also swivel around so you can view different things. And that's really all there is to it. If you run into any problems, please contact us at the IT Help Desk at 610-861-1500 or email us at help@moravian.edu.